Keller Williams Bronx, in partnership with the New York City Hispanic Chamber of Commerce, held a vendor fair featuring an array of small businesses from the community and a real estate seminar for first-time home buyers in honor of Hispanic Heritage Month.
We have been given the pleasure to partner with the Hispanic Chamber of Commerce and create a vendor fair where we had a lot of local business owners come and promote their businesses. And in conjunction with that, since we're a real estate company, we're promoting home ownership.
They got a nice group of vendors here that are all promoting the same thing, help for new homeowners. So it's really important that we participate.
A recent study by the Urban Institute estimates that by 2040, 70% of new homeowners will be Hispanic. However, census data also indicated that there are barriers to overcome.
We feel that the importance of homeownership creates generational wealth for generations to come.
We find that our Latin and minority community does not have enough information to access the resources that are available for us and when it comes to purchasing homes or apartments. So it's really important that Keller Williams does something like this.
Lawyers, mortgage officers, and real estate agents provided helpful information and resources on the home buying process in this free public event in both English and Spanish.
When it comes to a Hispanic community, and I have a lot of clients that they come to the seminars to translate to their parents because they're thinking that the information is going to be all in English. So when they come and meet up with us, they realize, oh my goodness, usted habla español.
Keller Williams is located at 2300 East Chester Road. Follow at KWNYC Bronx on social media for future events and more information. Reporting for BronxNet, Sonyi Lopez.